morning. In true fashion, I'm running late. I've got to meet up with Omar because we are headed to the 2024 Auto Show. Toronto Auto Show. Alright, talk to you later.
Check that out. This thing is massive. Small person like me definitely shouldn't be driving something like this. There's Omar, and there's the size of the car. Like, this thing is massive, large and in charge. What do you think?
It's huge, man.
Man.
Like the Infiniti, was it a Q56? That's big.
Yeah.
But I think this might be.
This dwarfs it.
Yeah.
Oh well. But have you seen the ones that are in the wild have rust spots on them?
I heard something about that.
I don't know if it's real. I've seen pictures.
Saying that it's rusting, yeah.
I'm seeing pictures, but I don't know if it's real or if it's doctored.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, like, I don't know. Down below, let us know. What do you guys think about this thing?
It's nice.
Okay, I spot something else that I'm not a fan of that you love.
The McLaren.
All right, let's get in here.
McLarens.
Yeah, they do nothing for me. I don't know. I guess I'm just a Ferrari fanboy at heart, but it does nothing for me.
I understand that. I like Ferraris too.
I know this is completely different for you, but for me, I don't like the styling.
You're crazy.
And that's what I'm saying. I know that you and I will disagree on this topic. Just not feeling it. All right, work our way around.
I think like the innovation in like the headlights when they first came out, I didn't really like it, but now it's grown on me. It looks amazing, and you can kind of see that same design language in all of them now.
Yeah, for sure. And they kind of need to, right? That's the way the design goes. You look at any car
how manufacturers
company, and they kind of have
create
the
an
same
identity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. All right. Well.
Holy, that looks good.
Let's see how much further the suspension and how you feel inside the vehicle, which is kind of cool.
And he tried like all day. But I haven't like.
Is it Forza?
No, Gran Turismo.
I like the force feedback steering.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Kind of cool.
It almost makes me want to get a CS5.
So do you see the time on the side?
Sorry. What's that on? What track is that on?
Most Sport. I don't know what the regular times are, but they're bragging about it, so I'm assuming it's good. Those of you that like the EV, here's a little EV something for you.
You know me, I like it. The carbon fiber wheels. Look at the dash.
Yeah, just not feeling the EV stuff.
Well, I don't think it's complete. Like, it's hybrid. So it's a little bit of both.
See, that makes more sense. Hybrids make sense. EVs do not make sense. So Omar is a Lexus guy. Let's see what he has to say about them. The one that he wants at least, or likes. IS3 350. So he has the...
This color is like almost like a teaser for what's coming.
What do you think of it, just from looks?
It looks amazing, man. Like, they've changed the game with this thing.
I can't get over the front, man. I really hate that grille. And you know me, I don't say I hate very often, but I hate this grill.
I
know
mean,
that's their identity, but
the way that I explain it, like with my Evo, right? Like the grill was huge on that thing.
yeah, it grew on you.
Yeah.
It grew on me as well, but this grill has been out for a minute and it still annoys me. Go sit in it.
I'm gonna. I like every part of this car. Maybe the back is a little iffy, but other than that, it's still really nice.
All right, I'm gonna get into this thing.
It's 66,000 all-wheel drive. Also, I would do the rear-wheel drive one, and then just the 300. I'd want the 4-cylinder.
Little trackpad.
Also, that touchpad. Not the biggest fan of that.
See, I like that.
Now, oh god damn, it can't fit. Now, here's a question.
I like the trackpad.
Would you trade the Evo for this?
I wouldn't. But again, I'm not a Lexus guy. To be honest with you, the only Lexus I like is the IS that you have.
Yeah. I'll keep that.
I'm just not a fan of their design language.
Yo, even the steering wheel's freaking dope.
I think I'm just like a Euro guy when it comes to cars. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anthony made that point the other day and I was like, no, I'm not. And the more I think about it, I'm like,
yes, I am.
yeah, I think I am.
Dude.
Not that it's a good thing, not that it's a bad thing. It's just that's the styling I like.
This one's 66,000. For as low as like 50?
Yeah, but then that's base with nothing in it.
Well, I mean, they all come standard with a lot of tech. I don't know how I feel about it.
So this is a mid-size.
I gotta go for a test drive.
This is not a full size. This is a mid-size, right?
I need to be here.
Right?
I don't know. This?
It's a mid-size.
Yeah, it's not full.
a
It's not
full
full.
size.
It's not full at all.
What is their full size? Do you know?
I'm not sure. I want to say it's like the GS 400, GS 450.
Okay.
If that's a model.
All right, I'm gonna go check trunk and hood and stuff like that.
No, stay.
Sorry, bonnet.
Stay a little bit longer. Is this touch?
Yep.
Oh, it
Everything's
is.
touch.
I almost bought this the other day.
I remember when he came to Kitchener. I unfortunately don't remember when he came to Whitby. Very nice.
Look at that Evo.
Yep.
It's so expensive.
Man, look at the detail on that valve cover. So good. $430. Obviously restoring. Yeah, European auto body. And then we get to see the Enzo. Wow, it doesn't feel like 03 this thing came out. Much older than I remember it being. Then a Daytona. My dad and I had a chance to work on one once, restoring the hood, and it was all aluminum. So we had to do a bunch of different things, different ways from a regular steel body. Come on. Oh. All right, then off to see I believe it's a 308. Looks like a 308 from here. 308. Magnum's car. Original Magnum.
So silly.
Oh man. And then, piece de resistance, we're getting to see the, what is it, 296 Dino in its race outfit. Oh. Look at that thing. Let's get a front view. There you go. She's looking kind of sharp. This is, see all of them, almost all of them in the same room. GTO 84, I believe it is. GTO F40, Enzo. We saw the La. Can't wait to see what they have for us next. Man. Just wanted a little, you know, something with the two of us in front of a Ferrari. Big things coming. I don't know if it's going to be that big, that soon, but big things are coming. Mark my words.